In a world rapidly evolving with artificial intelligence, understanding how to collaborate with these advanced systems is crucial. Ethan Mollick introduces the concept of co-intelligence. This concept emphasizes the powerful synergy when humans and AI work together. It focuses on AI augmenting human capabilities. Mollick envisions AI as a collaborator, not a competitor. Embracing AI unlocks creativity, productivity, and innovation. AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. It is actively transforming industries, taking on roles once thought to be exclusive to humans. Imagine an architect collaborating with an AI design assistant. This assistant can generate countless design iterations based on given parameters, freeing the architect to focus on aesthetics and functionality. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots work alongside human counterparts, performing repetitive tasks with precision and speed. This collaboration increases efficiency and allows human workers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of production. The fear of job displacement is understandable, but history has shown that technological advancements often create new opportunities. Consider the field of customer service, where AI chatbots are now commonplace. These chatbots can handle routine queries, providing instant support and freeing up human agents to deal with more intricate issues. This division of labor not only improves efficiency, but also enhances customer satisfaction. The impact of AI extends beyond the workplace and into the realm of education. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor. This tutor could adapt to individual learning styles, identify areas where a student needs extra support, and provide tailored instruction. AI can also serve as a tireless coach, analyzing performance data and providing personalized feedback to athletes and musicians. Imagine a golfer receiving real-time swing analysis and suggestions for improvement from an AI coach, allowing them to refine their technique and achieve better results. The potential of AI in education is vast and still unfolding. It promises to democratize access to quality education and empower individuals to reach their full potential. However, it is crucial to approach this technology with a critical eye, ensuring that it complements and enhances human interaction rather than replacing it entirely. Section 4. Mastering AI collaboration, skills for a new era. Thriving in an AI-driven world requires new skills and adapting existing ones. Communication is key when interacting with AI systems. We must learn to communicate our needs clearly to AI. Critical thinking and problem-solving are crucial. Evaluate AI solutions, identify biases, and make informed decisions. Understand AI limitations and avoid blind trust. Creativity and innovation are highly valued. AI handles mundane tasks, freeing humans for ingenuity and emotional intelligence. Thinking outside the box and adapting to change are essential for success. Section 5. The human element. Preserving identity and values. As we embrace the transformative potential of AI, it is crucial to remember what makes us uniquely human. Our empathy, compassion, and ethical reasoning are qualities that cannot be replicated by machines. In a world increasingly reliant on technology, it is essential to preserve these qualities and ensure that our values are reflected in the AI systems we create. Maintaining human connection and building meaningful relationships will remain paramount. While AI can facilitate communication and connect us with people across the globe, it is important to prioritize face-to-face interaction, empathy, and understanding. We must strive to create a future where technology enhances our lives without diminishing our humanity. Section 6. Shaping the future. An optimistic outlook. The rise of AI presents both challenges and opportunities. By embracing co-intelligence, we can harness AI to solve complex problems and improve our lives. It is essential to approach this new era with optimism and caution. Collaboration, education, and ethical development will guide us. By working together, we can ensure AI serves humanity. Let us embrace the future of co-intelligence with open minds and a shared purpose.